In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube subscribe button graphic in Canva. First, open your browser and head to canva.com, then log into your account. The free version works perfectly for this project, so you don't need any upgrades to follow along. Once you're in, we'll set up a clean canvas so your button looks sharp and professional on any YouTube video or thumbnail. Click. Create a design and choose custom size. Enter 1920 by 1080 pixels. This full HD size gives you plenty of room to design and ensures the final graphic looks crisp, whether you place it in a video editor or use it as part of a larger layout. Now, let's grab the building blocks. Go to the Elements tab on the left and use the search bar. Try terms like subscribe, button, or YouTube to see a variety of icons and shapes. Look for simple, bold graphics that are easy to read at smaller sizes. Whether you choose a plain button shape or a YouTube-style icon, clarity matters more than decoration. Add your button base by selecting a rectangle or a rounded rectangle. Place it where you want the button to sit, centered for a standout call to action, or along the bottom for a more subtle overlay. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep things neat and consistent. Next, add the text. Click Text, then add a heading, and type Subscribe. All caps often reads better for buttons. Drag the text over your button and center it both horizontally and vertically. If it feels cramped, adjust the text box or the shape so the message has room to breathe. Time to style it. Change the button color to red for that classic YouTube look, or use your brand color to keep everything consistent. Set the text color to white or another high-contrast shade so it's readable at a glance. Choose a bold, clean font and increase the size until the word feels strong without overwhelming the shape. Aim for simple and striking rather than ornate. Keep it minimal. Leave generous space around the text, avoid clutter, and make sure the overall shape and message are instantly recognizable. This restraint helps your button stand out on busy backgrounds. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a clear, high-quality image and save it to your computer. You now have a polished subscribe button graphic ready to drop into your YouTube content.